Hey guys, so thanks for watching. Today we're going to be driving the Kia K5. This is the EX model 2021. Now I've also got a 2022 at home. That's how much I love this car. I got two of them. So I wanted to do a quick video on the cruise control feature, which it could be called smart cruise control, adaptive cruise control, maybe assisted cruise control. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to automatically slow down and speed up without any intervention from the driver based upon the traffic around you, the traffic in front of you to be more specific. So when we set the cruise control, it's going to monitor whatever vehicle is in front of us. If the vehicle in front of us is going too slow, it's going to automatically apply the brake and slow the car down to match the speed of the car in front of you. And if you go around that car, it's going to automatically just speed up and get back to whatever the set speed was you had. And there's a couple of different options here. You can actually set the car length. There's, I believe, 3 settings for that, for the distance between you and the car in front of you. So if you want a short distance, you can have that. If you want a longer distance, you can have that. But we're going to go ahead and set that now, and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so as you can see here on the steering wheel on the right-hand side, we've got this button right here. This is actually your cruise control button. But right below that, right here, this is where you set the car length distance. So when I press this button right here, it just said right there, distance level 1. And now it shows it's set on 69 miles per hour, and I can bump that up right here. See if we bump that up. Now we're at 70, 71, 72. You can put it wherever you want. And notice it says HDA, and it also shows a little car right there. So there's actually a car in front of me. That's why it shows that little gray car in front. And that little pink box there, that's actually the distance that we have set. Now if we come back, we change the distance right here. I'm going to push that right here for you so you can see it. Let that get focused there. Okay, as I push that, see there's level 4, there's level 3, there's level 2, and there's level 1. So there's actually 4 levels of distance. Now right now there's nobody anywhere really that close in front of me. But I like to leave it on level 1. That's the short distance. And I'm going to go ahead and bump this up a little bit. And then we're gonna test it here in just a moment. Okay, so I've got it set on 73 miles per hour. There is a vehicle in front of me. And as I get closer, my speed is actually dropping down. Even though I have it set on 73, the car is slowing itself down based upon the vehicle in front of me. Now, if I wanted to put more distance, I could hit this button right here. And if I do that, it's going to allow me some distance between the car in front. So it's actually slowing the car down even more now because I told it I want more distance between me and the car in front of me. Now, if I put it back on level 1, it's going to go ahead and allow a shorter distance between me and the car in front of me. Now, that car just got out of the way, and now the car is automatically speeding back up again. Back up to 73 where I had it set because the car in front of me is no longer hindering my speed. So it is out of the way now. I'm going to go ahead and slow this down. We're going to put it on 65 here. But that's basically how it works. You've got just the cruise control button right up here, and then you set the distance right there below it. And then of course this is your speed setting up and down right there. It's a really great feature. Keeps you from having to constantly turn cruise control on and off. Keeps you from having to constantly hit the brake and speed up and all that. It just does it all automatically for you. And the cool thing is, all you have to do is just change lanes, and if there's nothing in front of you, it'll speed right back up to where you had it set.